Alexa, play best of Bollywood songs. Alexa, play party songs. Alexa, play songs by Arijit Singh. Alexa, play top international songs. So isn't this why we primarily buy an Echo device? To play our songs of choice by just asking for it. And yeah, undoubtedly it's the best when it comes to that. But there are tons of things that you can do with it apart from music streaming, which you probably didn't know or didn't put it to use. Since most of us are home right now during this lockdown, let's explore what all you can do on the Echo speaker and enjoy its full potential. But before we begin, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any update. Also follow me on my social media handles for more tech info. This is your friend Tech Singh. Let's get started. Firstly, stay connected with the latest updates for COVID-19. You can ask it for the status, how many cases of coronavirus in India, what are the precautions to take for coronavirus. Let's check it out. Alexa, how many coronavirus cases in India?
According to Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, as of the 17th of April 2020, there have been 13,835 cases confirmed of the novel coronavirus in India.
Alexa, what are the precautions to take for coronavirus?
To reduce chances of being infected or spreading COVID-19, WHO recommends the following precautions. Regularly and thoroughly clean hands with an alcohol-based hand rub or wash with soap and water.
Also, Aaj Tak gives you top news updates. Alexa, play top news from Aaj Tak.
From Aaj Tak.
लॉकडाउन से कोरोना की रफ्तार में आई कमी, ग्रोथ रेट 40% नीचे, ठीक हो रहे हैं 80%, 24 घंटे में 23 लोगों की गई जान.
So basically, instead of sitting in front of the TV all day and watching the news, you can just catch up on all the top news very easily with the Echo speaker. Not many know, but you can enable skills and games embedded inside the Alexa app. Skills are what apps are for smartphones. Let me take you through it. Open the Alexa app on your Android or iPhone. I'm using an iPhone for this demo. On the top left, you can see the menu button. Come down to skills and games. In here, you will see a huge list of recommendations, skills and games. The reason I'm taking you through this is you will need to enable them for some of the features while some come pre-enabled. Here you can see tons of quizzes that you can play on the Alexa speaker, like Impossible Bollywood Quiz, Cricket Quiz, Harry Potter Quiz, and yeah, even True or False. I play this a lot. This also has a multiplayer feature, so your whole family can play. Let's take a quick demo. Alexa, open True or False.
Welcome back to True or False. How many people want to play?
3.
Great, 3 it is. Player 1, true or false? Ostriches are found in the wild in Australia.
False.
You got it. The large birds are native to Africa.
Wow, isn't this so much fun? The collection of games is almost endless. The other new feature that has just been enabled on the Echo speakers is audiobooks. You can ask it to read Harry Potter book for you. Here's a demo. Alexa, read Harry Potter book 1.
Harry Potter and the Philosopher's Stone, Book 1, from Audible.
The Philosopher's Stone by J.K. Rowling.
Chapter 1. Mr. and Mrs. Dursley of number 4 Privet Drive were proud to say that they were perfectly normal.
Sit back, relax and enjoy the audiobook. It also has a dedicated section for food, so you can check for recipes like Khana Khazana, where it gives you ingredients and a step-by-step process to cook. Healthy food recipes for diet-conscious people is also available. All you have to do is just ask Alexa. Oh, and how can I forget this? Kids are just gonna love it. In the kids sections on the skill, there are many skills for poems, kids songs, and if you have toddlers, you can ask it to make animal sounds. Alexa, make the sound of a lion. There are more than 500 animal sounds available here. Kids stories, poems are very popular on the Alexa speaker. If you have kids at home, you should definitely try this out. It's amazing. So are you feeling bored at home during this lockdown? Absolutely. So you should tell Alexa to tell you a joke. Want a brainstormer? Ask it for a riddle. It'll even give you hints. It's great fun. Must try. Surely the lockdown period is very taxing for everyone. So you can ask for meditation music. It really helps you calm your mind. Talking about calming your mind, how about some yoga? Yes, you can even do some yoga with the Alexa instructions. Let's take a quick demo. Alexa, open Shilpa Shetty Yoga Skills.
Welcome back to the Shilpa Shetty Skill. I am happy to see your continued dedication. Brahma Mudra, Lord Brahma's pose. Sit in any comfortable cross-legged pose on the floor and keep your spine as straight as possible, taking care not to strain your neck and avoid jerking your head in any direction.
Wow, this was amazing. Must try. One of the things I love using the Echo speakers is for reminders. Now I'm aware most of you have mobile phones and we can definitely put reminders on it. But we tend to get lazy to type in the details and time. With an Echo device, all you have to do is ask, Alexa, remind me to pay credit card bill at 6 p.m.
Okay, I'll remind you at 6 p.m.
Then at the designated time, the Echo speaker will ring with an alarm,
This
read
is
your
a
reminder,
reminder.
and not just that,
Pay
it will
credit
also
card
send you a
bill.
notification on your phone as
This
well.
is a
You will
reminder.
only receive a notification
credit
if you
card
have an
bill.
Alexa app installed and logged in with the same Amazon account. Trust me, this one is so handy for so many things that you tend to forget. Also ask it to remind you to take a break from work or remind you to drink water regularly. These reminders are very helpful as most of us are working from home and tend to lose sense of time. Other thing that comes handy is timer. So when you're cooking something or doing a workout, instead of looking at the clock and timing it, just ask the Echo to set a timer. Here's a demo. Alexa, set a timer for 15 minutes.
15 minutes, starting now.
After the set time, it raises the alarm, which is a great feature. If you have an Echo Dot with clock like I have, the timer even runs on the display. Extremely helpful. I would also like to shed some light over some voice commands that are very helpful while playing music. Now, while you're listening to a song and you want to listen to that track again, we usually say, Alexa, repeat. But what if you want to keep repeating that track until you ask it to stop? So when the track is playing, all you need to say is, Alexa, play the track on a loop. And voila, it keeps playing continuously. Other important command that I use practically every day is sleep timer. If you're someone that likes to listen to music before you sleep, you can ask it to stop playing in 30 minutes. That's the timer I set. You can set it accordingly. 10 minutes, 1 hour, whatever works for you. Now, alarms are not new, but you can ask Alexa to wake you up at the set timer and the timer will ring. But you can even ask it to wake you up with a time and a song that you want to be woken up to. Here's what I set. Alexa, wake me up at 7 a.m. to Ek Omkar.
Alarm set for 7 a.m. tomorrow to Ek Omkar on Amazon Music.
You can set it to your favorite singer, favorite song, or prayer of your choice. There is so much more to do with these Alexa devices and it would be almost impossible to cover all. But my favorite would be when the whole family sits together and we play a quiz or a true or false. This time of lockdown when we are all together, it's a great experience. I hope this video was helpful. Write down in the comments if you have any more ideas that you want to share. They'll be really helpful for everyone. Also, your feedbacks are welcome. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next time, cheers.